Machine capabilities for sequin production vary widely. Some machines support single sequin devices. Some support twin sequin devices. Others quad or even multi-sequin. Some perform consecutive sequin feeds, while others may allow stack feeding. Here, multiple sequins are dropped and secured with a single fixing stitch. Embroidery Studio supports multi-sequin design using any of these configurations. Create and visualize predefined patterns of sequin runs. These may comprise multiple sequins of different size, color, and shape. Multi-sequin patterns can be defined for sequin runs and fills, single or stacked. Fills can be repeating columns or stipple with single or multicolor patterns. Import the design template and prepare the palette. Import the template you are going to use for your multi-sequin design. In this case, we're creating an open collar caftan. Before you can use the tools, choose a multi-sequin machine format. In this case, Dahau. Now we prepare the palette. Define as many devices as your machine supports. In this case, we use a single device. Specify the number of sequins available. Here we're setting up a quad sequin device. Choose sequins from a library of preset or even custom shapes. Set the characteristics of each sequin, including color, overall size, and hole size. Once prepared, the palette is available for use from the Sequin toolbar and Object Properties docker. Digitize a patterned sequin run. In Embroidery Studio, you can create sequin run patterns and save them for later use. Here we see how to set up a quad sequin run pattern using stack sequins. For machines that support it, sequin stacks are dropped and secured with a single fixing stitch. With sequin patterns, you can apply a different fixing type to each sequin. Once defined, digitize pattern runs like any outline stitch. You can, if you prefer, digitize run stitching first and then convert to sequins. Digitize a patterned stipple sequin fill. Now we see how simple it is to create a patterned stipple sequin fill in ES. Objects created like this are fully scalable and can be reshaped like any embroidery object. You control loop spacing and margin settings like any stipple object. With stipple sequin fills, borders are activated by default. In this design, we turn them off. Now we can define a pattern. For the first sequin, choose from the palette and set a nominal spacing. Here we choose the simplest fixing stitch available. We don't want stitching to form part of the decoration. Set up other sequins in the same way. Fixing stitch type is carried from one to another. And there we have it. An elegant caftan design, simply and very quickly created for a quad sequin capable machine.